the water.
Very slowly and carefully pour in the water. Tell them what we're making.
We're making, what is it called? Cranberry sauce?
That's it. What's the ingredients?
Water, cranberries, and sugar.
That's it. All right, so we have to put this on high to boil.
You're filming it.
Hi.
In a medium saucepan, combine your sugar and your water. Okay, so go ahead and put the sugar in there.
And then you pour in this.
That's all. It's a cup and a half.
You know, the main place in
This
this
is a
area
lot
is
of
autos,
sugar.
and they way too high priced.
It is. It's a cup and a half. I half the sugar. It
So it's
calls for
like
3
that, you
cups.
know.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's a lot of sugar.
Boys doing milk.
Dissolve the sugar, stirring to dissolve. So you just
Yeah,
gently
I
stir
know.
it.
Yeah, I made a little thing and I made candy. Yes.
Okay,
So I kind of know how this feels. I hope my hands doesn't get as sweaty.
So then once it boils, we let it boil for 5 minutes. Okay? The sugar has dissolved and we're waiting for it to boil.
I love these because it doesn't get much water.
I do too, and they don't make a loud noise when you tap it on
Yeah,
the side of the
look.
pan. Live and learn, Beth. Live and learn. We're boiling. Do you know what happens now? Not yet.
Oh,
We
5
have
minutes.
to. That's right. 5-minute timer.
I will chop the smoke back.
We gotta let it really boil. Boil some of that water out of there and concentrates the sugar. It is a rolling.
But I blew the smoke
These
out.
about that big now.
Spa time.
Makes you feel like you're choking,
Turtle man.
but it's just water.
It does feel like it.
Spa treatment. We're doing spa while we're
Oh my
making cranberries.
It smells sweet, sort
It
of.
does. Sugar.
So much sugar.
I'm not
Tastes
sure.
like cotton candy.
On your calorie rate.
Oh, it does. Nom nom, we get free cotton candy.
Fresh
Cotton candy
is
with
the
no
best.
calories. Wowza.
Oh, that smoke in my eyes makes my eyes water.
Does it?
Oh.
Makes me happy.
So you take one thing of smoke and you there you
1
go.
part smoke. 2 parts giggles.
Ow.
Way better than
This part will be a little tricksy because it's so hot.
Eat them. They're very big.
Try. Go ahead.
I
You
did.
don't want another one? I think if you dipped it in sugar, it might. They are very tart, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they are. Oh my.
Yeah. Come here, taste, breathe, really.
No,
Breathe. Don't breathe and burn yourself, but gently breathe and then taste. Like open your mouth and go.
tastes like cotton candy.
You taste cotton candy?
Not
You
really.
don't?
Not really. I'm just like very, very faintly.
Oh, it's so good.
I
Sugar.
know.
Diet cotton candy.
Oh, they're so bitter. How can you eat?
My parotid glands just went.
I wish mine would squeeze like that, but they don't. When I was a kid, they did, but they don't do it anymore. I do. That's such a good sensation. I love that sensation, but I've grown out of it. It just doesn't. Nothing ever does that anymore. I know it's sad. Maybe if I ate one, it would make them squeeze.
Maybe you ate like 4. Here, eat this really white one.
Oh,
It's making
Bottoms
me
up.
sorry.
Nothing.
maybe a little for you.
Jake, open up. Oh, that's
It went
fine.
in your hoodie.
Where?
Yeah. Our
Yes.
timer's about to be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3,
I don't know how you can eat those
2,
things.
1.
I can't.
All right.
I'll pour in.
So we're adding 24
So
ounces.
how
Go
far?
ahead. 24 ounces of
not bad.
raw cranberries.
I can't do much of it worse than that though. Hey, do we have any ice cream in here?
I like it cold. Do you like it cold?
Yeah,
Just
we'll
put
put
it
it in
in
the
the
refrigerator.
They're all
and-
so good cold.
Next step is that we let it cook for about 4 minutes, and you'll start to hear it pop. It'll start to split open.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. This is gonna be the first video. Yeah, I've been in your videos, but not a video of this
Right.
making.
You're the star. It'll be Lisa and Ken featuring Showboat.
Look, that
I
one's
know,
fizzing.
like popcorn.
I know.
Pop, pop, pop like a firecracker.
Does everybody like my shirt?
I like it. I know that. Do you like my shirt? It has a chicken on it. You seen it? Do you know what it says?
No idea.
It says keeping it rural instead of keeping it real. Rural means living out in the country instead of keeping it city. Keeping it rural.
Oh wow.
Oh, ain't that so pretty?
Yeah. They're pretty, but so. Oh, the water's starting to get pink.
It is. Oh, and that lovely smell.
I
Starting to
know.
get that nice,
Here, can I still
Cranberry.
taste cotton candy?
probably taste cranberry.
Oh, cranberry.
Oh, cranberry. How long have you been cooking that?
I don't know. Steam tastes like cranberries.
Yeah.
Earlier it tasted like cotton candy when it was just sugar water. That's what I call done. It said 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. So turn it off and we're gonna slide it over and let it cool. Then we'll pour it in a pretty bowl and put it in the refrigerator. So we used 3 cups of water, 24 ounces of cranberries, and a cup and a half of sugar. The recipe calls for 3 cups of sugar.
Then whoever made that must have had a really sweet tooth.
I think so. All right. Well, thank you for watching. All right? Say bye. Can you look? Say goodbye before you.
Bye bye.